this video, I'm going to explain how to use the EA platform to complete your EcoVadis questionnaire. So from the Autofill tab, you can select Add Prebuilt AI Agents, and then choose the ESG category, and click Save. And now you'll have access to all of these ESG agents, one of which is the ESG EcoVadis assessment. Here you can click on Generate Answers, type in your company name, and the only other thing that's required is to upload the blank EcoVadis questionnaire. You also have an option to upload a previous year's answers, and that will help the AI pick more accurate answers this year, but it's optional, it's not required. So in order to access your blank EcoVadis assessment, you can navigate to the EcoVadis dashboard and click on Enter Questionnaire. And once this is created, there's an option for Download Questionnaire right here. And you can choose as a spreadsheet. And now you just upload the downloaded file into this field and click Generate Answers. That's all that you have to do to start the process. And now EA is going to extract all the questions from the document and generate answers automatically. You can see that it's already extracted these questions, and it's in the process of generating. After a few minutes, EA has generated some answers to these EcoVadis questions. And if you click on the review button, you can see the completed answers. So much like in the original Excel, which you can see on the left here, EA has recreated the correct format of the questions. So if we look at LAB 100 excess, that's this question here. And the question is, does your company have a policy with qualitative objectives and quantitative targets for, and then it lists these options which have been recreated here. Also in the document, you have the answer to select yes for the applicable options, provide evidence, and comments. So we've recreated all of that here. The AI has selected yes to the applicable options and provided evidence and comments where applicable. Underneath the answer, you also have some scoring guidance. So on the basis of the documents uploaded and the answers selected, EA has provided an estimated score. And below it has provided a comment which explains what would be required for full marks and any gaps in the documents that have resulted in less than full marks. Finally, beneath all this is evidence validity issues. This is a field where EA will flag if there's any problems with the evidence that in EcoVadis's eyes makes the document invalid. So we'll flag those issues here and provide the scoring guidance below the answer here.